We're using peat-free compost. We do make quite a lot of our own compost as well, but we are using peat-free compost and we do buy it in. We buy the best we can buy. We
Okay.
do the best we can. We've tried different composts in different ways. We've got where we want to be now, but yeah, we have to live with it.
Are you able to talk about brands? I mean,
Yeah,
yeah, let's
yeah,
do it
absolutely.
because I think people are. I keep saying I keep pushing on the side, that you get what you pay for,
Yeah, you
and
do.
the problem with the what we're facing at the moment is there is such a wide variety of products out there, and the range of quality between the best and the worst is huge.
Huge. Yeah, we buy really from two suppliers. We buy from Silver Grow,
Yeah,
so we'll go, organic or peat-free. Not always organic, but peat-free maybe. Or we'll buy from a plant grow. So all our mulch and
yeah,
some of our mulch comes from plant grow because it's good stuff.
yeah.
It comes in ton bags. Our mulch this year has been amazing, and we keep it at that. We've tried others, not so successfully. So they're the two we're doing at the moment.
Yeah, well, John and I both use Plant Grow as well. I mean, it's good stuff, isn't it? And when
Yeah,
you consider that the processes that it's been through, it's powering homes for goodness sake,
I know.
and we can use it, in our on our plants. It's amazing stuff.
We had a lovely time at the factory, didn't we,
We
Rob?
did, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Did you go? I haven't been.
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yeah,
It's good.
yeah. Daniel, yes, he
So,
had us over, and we. It was lovely. It was lovely and warm. It was a cold day. There was this big heap of lovely duvet material. It was, it was fantastic.
but silver grow's not particularly cheap, is it? And I think okay, if you're on a budget, then I guess your options are a little bit more limited. But I suppose it's a bit like buying, a really really good pair of shoes. Yes, it costs a lot more, but the
But it's much better.
quality pays for itself.
Yeah. Honestly, we've tried loads of different composts, and loads of different, and we put the same seeds in a test of probably 5 different, and it was just that it was the best.